start the poem. Already you have started John Brown, so this is the second portion. It will be short, but obviously an exclusive one. She got a letter once in a while, and her face broke into a smile. She means John Brown's mother. In a while means seldom, at a long gap, not often. And her face broke into a smile. So when she used to receive the letter of her son, she used to feel proud as well as extremely happy. As she showed them to the people from next door. Next door I can also write neighbor. She used to show those letters to the neighboring people. As she bragged about her son, brag means boasting, with his uniform and gun. And these things we call, these things mean that romanticism related to war and battle. And glory of fighting is called a good old fashioned word. New fashioned word is different than the old fashioned word. Olden times war were more frequent than this time. And that time those battles were fought using those old and very common weapons, just like gun. So it is an old fashioned word. A good old fashioned word. There is repetition to show the meaninglessness, the valuelessness of the word. It is giving emphasis. So we should think about it. Romanticism related to war is not today's affair. It has been done since long time. Then the later ceased to come. Cease means stopped. For a long time they did not come. They means the letters. They ceased to come for about 10 months or more. So again they means the letter. Then a letter finally came saying, "Go down and meet the train, your son coming home from the war." Then finally a letter came. It was written, "Go down. You go to the station and meet the train. Wait for the train. Your son's coming home from the war. Your son is returning from the war." So a letter came from the authorities that your son is returning. She smiled and went right down. She looked everywhere around, but she could not see her soldier son in sight. Everywhere she searched, but she did not find her son. But as all the people passed, she saw her son at last. Ultimately she found. When she did, she could not hardly believe. When she saw her son, she could not believe her eyes. Oh, his face was all spot up, and his hand was all blown up, and he wore a metal brace around his waist. So he was totally damaged. He almost lost all his vigor, strength, and body due to the ferocity of war. What happened? Face was all shot, hand was all blown up. He was wearing the metal brace around his waist. Brace means here a belt. He whispered kindly of slow. He very slowly talked to his mother in a voice he did not know, and such voice that the mother never heard of her son. You can understand what would be the feeling of the mother who grew him up from that small child, from that baby, to this situation. Did she want her son to lose all these physical attributes? While she could not even recognize his face, the mother could not recognize the face of the child. Oh Lord, not even recognize his face. Unfortunately, she could not recognize his face. He was her own son. Oh, tell me, my darling son, pray tell me that what they have done. Here, this stands for whom? That is the question that we'll discuss at the end of the poem. How is it you come to be this way? What happened to you that such thing happen, that you look like this? To be this way means in such situation. What happened that you are in such situation? He tried his best to talk, but his mouth could hardly move. He could not talk. And the mother had to turn her face away. Don't you remember, Ma, when I went up to her, you thought it was the best thing I could do? Cannot you remember, mother? You boasted that time. You are saying that it would be the best thing that you could do. I was on the battleground, you were at home. Acting proud, you was not there standing in my shoes. You are very proud. You are enjoying saying everyone that my son is a soldier. But you did not fight the battle, mother. You did not stand on the shoes which I was wearing. Oh, and I thought when I was there, God, what I doing here? I am trying to kill somebody or die trying, but then thing that scared me the most was when my enemies came close. He was trying to kill someone, similarly someone wanted to kill him. So both were playing a game to kill each other. And he was afraid when the enemies came close to him, and I saw that his face looked just like mine. And I saw what? My enemy's face is no different than me. He is also a human being. His face just looks like mine. Thank you.